I'm about to share with you the newest way to make money online that most people don't really know about, and very few persons are talking about it today. So if you're looking to make some money fast, like very fast, doing simple and easy to do tasks, then you might want to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to share with you websites where you can find these tasks. So let's get started. The first website is called redmonkey.com. Now this has an app and you can use it on different devices. Now if you come here, there are lots of tasks you can do, like games, survey and quizzes, and you can get paid doing any of these tasks. And the best part about this task is no matter the device you're using, if you come here, you see you can use it on Android, MacOS or iOS or Linux devices. Whatever device you may have, you can actually access this website or this app using them. You don't need to worry about device you're going to be using to access this website. Now withdrawals are paid within an hour. In rare cases, it can take up to like one business day. As a verified user, your withdrawals can be made instantly, so you must make sure that you are verified on this website. And the verification process is just after you must have signed up. They're going to send you an email that you're going to use to verify your account, and once that has been done, you are good to go. All you have to do is just to start taking up tasks that you can easily complete and earn some coins. Now it is important for you to know that on this website you earn coins, and 1,000 of the coins on this website is equal to $1, so that you have that in mind, and you can withdraw your money in different ways using crypto. As you can see here, you can withdraw to different cryptocurrencies here, and then you can also use gift cards that you can use to withdraw your money on this website. It's advised that you make your own research before you start using this website, especially when it comes to the FAQs. You have to go through, there are lots of questions here they have answered that you should go through to understand better before using the website. Now the second website we're going to be talking about today is called EarnNot. EarnNot is another website where you get paid for completing little tasks like playing games, taking surveys, answering quiz and stuff like that. If you come here, you will see that they have recommended offers, things they have recommended for people to start doing, like to make money on the website. They have their offer partners, people they work with, and they have survey partners too, companies that they work with to bring surveys to people that are looking to make money by taking surveys on this website. So if you click where it says offers, you're going to see a lot of offers here, and like the previous one, they use coins on this website too. So 1,000 of the coins on this website is equal to $1, and of course you can use it on different platforms like Apple, Android, any of those devices, Windows devices you may be using, and you can sort any of these offers based on the highest paid and the lowest paid. So if you click here where it says cash out, you can see that you can earn your money via Bitcoin, or you can earn your money through PayPal and gift card too on this platform. Now if you come here where it says rewards, this website is quite interesting, because if you have an affiliate link or an affiliate code, you can use it to spin this wheel and you can earn some extra cash. This is what is outstanding about this website compared to others I'm going to mention on this video. So this is an extra way for you to earn some more money. Now here is your favorable daily task. They have daily tasks you can do, which you can use to claim daily coins. And of course, if you have more achievements, you stand a chance of earning more money by the time you make some outstanding achievements, like having a specific number of offers, inviting people or friends to participate in specific events, and this gives you the chance to earn any of these achievements that they have here on the website, which is quite cool, which gives you the opportunity to have varieties of ways to earn on the website. Like I said before, make sure to make your own inquiries before you start using any of these websites. We have just one more website to go, but before I continue, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. Thank you so much for your support. Now the last website is called EarnLab. This, just like the previous websites, allow you to take some tasks like surveys, quiz, playing games and watching videos and stuff like that to make money using this website. And like the previous ones, once you have enough coin, you will find various withdrawal options on the withdrawal page. You can exchange your coins for gift cards, PayPal balance, and cryptocurrencies, and more. And new users have to get like 2,500 coins before they'll be able to make withdrawal. So you have that in mind. This process is simple. You sign up, you complete tasks, and you withdraw your money. And if you come here where it says tasks, you're going to see a lot of tasks that you are to complete. There are the featured ones, and there are lots of tasks here for you to complete. And like the previous ones, you can decide to filter this from highest to lowest paid depending on the type of device you're using and the category of task you want to do, be it apps, purchase, retrial, quizzes, whatever you may have in mind to do on this website. Now, the interesting part about this website is the more you make money on this website, you climb a ladder to enter the VIP program that has the silver, gold, and the diamond and the rest that you can actually get to, and you start claiming more money. And you must have earned a total of 100,000 to get to silver, and for diamond is 1 million. So these are the things you may want to check out on the website and get started. You should also do your own research. So overall, they are very cool and easy ways for you to make money on the side, knowing that you're going to get your payment instantly. Now, the interesting thing about these three websites I mentioned here is that they all have affiliate program that you can use to refer people and make extra cash. So that is the secret way you can actually make more money by using these websites. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please take a time out, like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any part. And if you're looking for a way to get typing or writing jobs, you might want to check out these videos. And if you want to learn how to produce your own book, children's story book that you can sell on any platform online, also check out this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.